Hey, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. Let's kickstart the course with installation guide for responsive theme. Today we'll learn how to install and activate responsive theme. First, go to WordPress.org and search for responsive theme. Download the zip. Once the zip is downloaded, go to your admin. To upload new theme, go to Appearance, Themes. Click on Add New button. Click on Upload Theme. Choose your responsive zip. Click on Install Now. Install the theme. Once the theme is installed, click on Activate to activate responsive. With that, you have successfully activated responsive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.